Hey everyone, I'm the Off-Grid Vegan Chef, and in today's episode I'm going to make this totally non-authentic Mexican dish that I like to call Sofritas Frito Pies. First I'm going to heat up some olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Then I'm going to add one package of firm tofu that I've drained and broken into pieces. Now I'm just going to smash that up real good into little crumbles. And basically just saute this until it's browned like that. Now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of diced onion, 2 tablespoons of diced Anaheim chili, 3 chopped Roma tomatoes, and about 1 cup of chopped mushrooms, which doesn't normally go in a sofrita, but I like the way it tastes and it's my show, so whatever. Now I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of oregano, a little bit of cumin, some smoked paprika, good amount, and a bit of kosher salt. Now I'm just going to stir this up real good, and once it's thoroughly mixed I'm going to add a little bit of water to it, and then I'm basically just going to bring this to a simmer and let it cook until it looks something like this, about 15 minutes or so. And now we're ready to plate up, bro. Gonna pour a bed of Fritos into my cute little dish here. By the way, Fritos only have 3 ingredients: corn, corn oil, and salt, so totally vegan as f***. Now I'm going to add some of those soft Fritos on there. Just put a few big scoops in there. Now I'm gonna drizzle hot sauce all over this because you know how I like to roll. And lastly, I'll top it off with some mashed avocado and some cilantro. And voila! We are ready to eat this pie. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And, if you've made it this far, that means I haven't annoyed you away yet, so why not watch another one?